Seeing your temperature gauge climb toward the red zone is enough to make anyone panic, but code P2181 is a bit of a mystery because it is quite vague compared to most other cooling system code. It basically tells you that your cooling system performance is out of range, but it does not tell you if the engine is staying too cold or getting way too hot. If your car is running too cool, you might notice your heater is barely blowing warm air and your fuel mileage is dropping because the engine is running a rich mixture to try and warm itself up. While that is not great for your wallet over time, overheating is the real engine killer that can warp a head gasket or seize your pistons in a matter of minutes. Whatever you do, never ever open a radiator cap when the engine is warm because that system is under massive pressure and the coolant can easily be sitting at 195 degrees Fahrenheit or even up to 280 degrees if it is truly overheating. Start your diagnosis by checking the coolant level when the engine is stone cold and use a pressure tester to see if there are any leaks around the hoses, the radiator, or the water pump. If the car stays cool while you are moving on the highway but starts to overheat as soon as you stop at a red light, your electric radiator fan or the fan clutch is likely the culprit. You can test the electric fan by disconnecting the wiring and jumping it directly to the battery to see if it even spins. If the fan is fine, check your thermostat by watching the coolant flow inside the radiator as the engine reaches about 190 degrees. If the engine gets hotter than 195 degrees and you still do not see any movement in the fluid, that thermostat is stuck shut and has to be replaced. Sometimes this code is even just a software glitch that requires a flash update for your PCM, especially on certain older models from Dodge, Chrysler, or Jeep. So always check for any relevant TSB or technical service bulletins before you start tearing the whole cooling system apart. It is also quite common to see this on Volkswagen vehicles, so keep that in mind if you are working on one of those.